So the first one is called LLAMA, or LLAMA 2, and it's a joint exercise between Meta and Facebook. Very interestingly, for the super geeks in the room, this is an open source model. You can download this and run this on your local machine, and you can unpack the underlying code behind it and extend it and play with it, etc. But you'd have to definitely be in the super geek category to actually get it done. The only thing you'd really need to know is what these three pieces here mean. Think of it as 7B is ChatGPT 3.5. Think of it as 13B as ChatGPT 4. And think of 70B as ChatGPT 4.5, because it refers to how many tokens of information the systems were trained with. So Llama 2 7B only had 7 billion parameters that it was trained on. I mean, this is just a few. 13B had 13 billion, 70B had 70 billion. Their recommendation for use cases is 7 billion if you're doing like general prose and general text. If you're doing math, complex analysis, data, 13B, and if you're writing code, you would want to do 70B. So if you want to rewrite Pac-Man, you want to use the 70B model, whereas if you're using general text, you'll use the 7B model here.